Hello everyone, welcome to VTU first year Introduction to Python Programming Lab programs. So this is the second one. Okay, so here what you need to do is develop a program to read the name and year of birth of a person, and after that you need to display whether the person is a senior citizen or not. This is the program. So here in the first line, if you observe, there we have given the name. Name is equal to input, enter the name of the person. So name in the left hand side, name is the variable name. Input, so there is a prompt we need to enter. Okay, so when we are giving the output, so if you use the input function, we need to enter the name of the person. So that will be treated as a string because here we are using input function, so that will be stored in the name variable. In the second line, as you have observed, year of birth, year underscore of underscore birth. So we have provided underscore because as you all know that the variable underscore empty spaces are not allowed. So that's why instead of empty space we are using the underscore. Year of birth is equal to int input, enter the year of birth. So here we are using two things. One is int, another one is the input. As I observed in the first line, if you use input, Python will treat that as a string, and if you enter int, so that string will be forcibly converted into integer. So that's why we are using int input, enter the year of birth of a person in the second line. So third line, when it comes to third line, again we are using a variable name called age. Age is equal to 2023 as of 2023 minus year of birth of a person. 2023 minus year of birth. So that is a formula. And next is we are going to apply the condition. If condition, if age of a person, age is greater than or equals to 60. Fourth line, please observe in the fourth line. If age of a person is greater than or equals to 60, so then we need to treat that person as a senior citizen. Else, you need to print person is not a senior citizen. So in the okay, so hit the interactive shell if you observe. Okay, so this is the mu editor we are using. So above one, the where we are typing the program is the file editor. The output where you need to see, where you are seeing, that is a interactive shell. So now you can see, enter the name of a person. So I'm entering it as a Raju, and after that, year of birth of a person, 1984. So Raju is not a senior citizen because 2023 minus 1984, that will fall under the category of less than 60. Okay, so Saraju is not a senior citizen. Again, if you type any other name like Mahesh, so enter the year of birth is equal to 1955. So Mahesh is a senior citizen because 2023 minus 1955 will be greater than 60. So that's why Python will think that person is as a senior citizen. Okay, so one more name, Hemant. Enter the year of birth 1965. Hemant is not a senior citizen. So that name, okay, so Hemant, if you want to get a name of a person, so in the fifth line, if you observe fifth or seventh line, first we are giving name, comma, senior citizen. Okay, so if you enter the name, that will be displayed in the output. And again, if you want to do some modification, like name Raju is say senior citizen, and Raju is some year age. Okay, some years age. So like that, we need to do some modification. So name, age are the variables which we have used in the first and third line. So please keep it in mind. So first name, comma, is not a senior citizen, and close the quote, comma, name, again comma, open the quote, is, and close the quote. Within this quote, what you have written, that will be written as a string. Okay, so comma, if you use the comma, age, comma, quote open, year, age. So here you can observe I have put it in the inside the quote. That will be treated as a string. Now you can see, enter the name of a person. The name will be treated as for example Girish. Name is a Girish. Year of birth, 1978. So see here, Girish is a name, he is not a senior citizen, and Girish, again once again name, is 45 years age. Name, so there Girish, age is 45. Years age, that will be treated as string, and it will be displayed in the interactive shell as it is. Again once again, one more example. Dhanush, enter the year of birth 2010. Dhanush is not a senior citizen and Dhanush is 13 years age. Okay, so thank you. We will see with another program.